You're looking cute as can be.
Is somebody here?
You're looking mighty sweet.
Seymour! Seymour!
No, it ain't Seymour. It's me.
Oh my God!
Me, Audrey, too. This plan is talking to you.
Oh, am I dreaming this?
No, you ain't Kansas neither.
Something is very wrong here.
Relax and go with it, doll. Do me a favor, will you, sweetheart?
A favor?
I need some water in the worst way. Look at my branches. I'm a goner, honey. Come on and give me a drink.
I don't know if I should.
Hey, little lady, be nice.
Just want water, right?
Sure do, I'll take me straight.
On your branches, I'll try you.
Don't need no glass of wine.
I got a can.
Don't need no twist of a line. Now it's summertime. Relax, sweetheart, and it'll be easier. Come on and join your dentist friend and mushnick. They're right inside.
Audrey, get off the heart! Get off the heart! Audrey! Audrey, are you all right?